Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can use the Canva Magic Studio in the easiest way. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to come over to your canva.com, okay? And we're going to be coming into our design and spotlight. So once you go into your design and spotlight, basically over here you're going to find your Canva Magic Studio in the right hand side over here. Here it says, all the power of AI all in one place. Magic Studio brings together the best AI powered tools for you and your team. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to try Magic Design by just adding some prompts, okay? So basically to get Magic, what you're going to want to do is you are going to want to have Canva Pro, because without Canva Pro, you will not be able to use this. And, text to video, text to image, all is going to need Canva Pro, but I will tell you how to use it though. So basically, any item that you want, you're simply, let's say you want to add a magic switch to this, it will transform your content from one genre to another. It can translate any language from one format to another. You can reformat your whole video if you want. Then you have text to video, where you're going to write any text prompt and it's going to make a video out of it. You have text to image, where you're going to write any text and it's going to create an image out of it. You can effortlessly edit your photos, effortlessly edit your images. Magic grab, where you can basically just grab a picture or an element off of an original photo. You can professionally edit someone's clothes, background remover, magic eraser. That's all the components of Magic Studio. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to be quickly talking to you about what Jasper AI chat does for you and how it's better. So AI chat that feels surprisingly human. You can interact with artificial intelligence that will help you a lot. Okay, and it feels like you're actually talking to a live support member. It's an actual person. An expansive base of knowledge on niche and advanced topic. A familiar design that's accessible and easy to use, and remembers what you said earlier by giving it a better context. You can start a chat with Jasper by asking a question or stating a command. And obviously, you're going to want to make an account with Jasper for this. It gives you a trial. It's going to ask you your credit card and stuff. But after that, look at that. You can use it immediately. And Jasper AI is an amazing AI chatbot tool. It's a good alternative to stuff like ChatGPT and to things like any other chatbots out there. An even better alternative to this is Bing Chat, because that's totally free. But you can just use Jasper AI as itself, because it was specifically created for marketing. Now, you can actually take Jasper's work and import it to your Jasper documents. And as you can see, you can see the similarities between a Jasper and ChatGPT Plus.
Let's say in this example, we're trying to market our product, which in this example will be watches. Let's say we have a bunch of vintage Seiko watches and we want to sell the watches through the Pinterest. First of all, you gotta do your own research and due diligence, right? You want to click on Seiko on the search bar, and then you want to click on the top left side where you see the additional settings. Here you want to click on the actual products. We don't want to watch videos, boards, and profiles. Let's see what kind of Seiko products are currently on the market and what are the prices, how people structure their posts. And we can see, are there any sales? Because remember, if you see listings but you don't see any reviews or ratings, this means that this particular item did not get any sales. As you can see over here, we have a bunch of different listings. For example, let's take a look at this one. This is coming from Chrono, right? We all know Chrono 24. Not much of a explanation. Very simple. No sale on this particular one. Let's find something that already got attention and something that already got sale. If you scroll over here, if you can see, most of the pictures are not professional. Most of the pictures are very genuine. So I guess this is the goal over here. This is the way how they can actually reach out to the broader audience. So this, for example, over here, if you see, it comes with the actual tag. Let's see where they're actually selling it. When you click on additional details, again, this is Chrono 24. On the previous examples I showed you, right, a lot of the products were actually listed on eBay. This is very interesting. And I presume, seeing that all these people are actually listing their items on the same website, you may have guessed that, you see, there's a bunch of Etsy listings over here. Let's take a look at this seller. Okay, so now as we see over here, this server include much more description, much more information. This is definitely helpful considering that this person is ranking much better than other listings, especially considering this particular model. I haven't seen this model before, but as you can see, everything, especially if you're selling internationally, Etsy probably is the way to go. But let's take a look even more models over here. You want to make sure that you have all the necessary data so you can compete appropriately, right? So we saw a bunch of different individual sellers. Now we're looking at a store with over 108,000 followers. So they're selling this particular watch. Let's take a look what their description looks like. So they simply input the description from the actual page. Let's take a look at here. Not much of a description, but having this large audience over here indicates that the pictures are actually the most important part, not the description. Let's create our own listing. For this example, I downloaded already an image from Google of Seiko watch, right? And as we saw, we can include the model. We can say that this is a Seiko men's watch. This is a general description. Then we can go down and simply include the actual sizing, right? We can include that this is 36 millimeter, for example. Then you can include that, box and papers included, right? Then you can say that, automatic, and all the details that are relevant to your watch. Don't include something that is not relevant and what is not usually part of the description of the watch. Because as we saw, all the listings on the platform here are very targeted. They don't include stuff that are simply coming from Wikipedia, the story or the history of Seiko or the history of this model. You presume that, remember, there is a particular limitation on the number of characters you can use in the description here. So you want to be very specific. And like I mentioned, the photos have to be very, very good. Doesn't mean professional, it just means a good quality. People have to be able to see. If you look at our picture, people are able to see absolutely everything of the watch, the size, the bracelet, the bezel, everything is here, the dial. So this is very, very important. The last step that you want to focus again is don't forget to include hashtags related to your particular listing. In our case, we have Seiko and we have watches. And I saw additional hashtag that looks very, very good. Watches for men, right? Because there could be a bunch of watches out there. Last thing is you want to copy and paste the link from the actual website or hosting agent you're using. Copy and paste the link over here and hopefully you're going to get much more sales. There is something I'm gonna give you for the last thing is over here, advanced settings, the last function. Essentially this will give you the capability, to not allow any comments if you want to, right? Because they could be bots, they could be spams, they could be a lot of people, saying don't buy it, from here, on Amazon is cheaper or something like this. You can prevent this happening. Also, you can actually include shopping recommendations. This means that people can actually shop products similar to what is shown on the pin. If you have a multiple Seiko watches, and if you have this actually toggle in, this means that there is a chance for Pinterest to promote different watches from your store or from your page to other users. So you might actually have additional sales at the end.
The way to join is just go to your settings, go to creator tools. You're going to click on creator fund, and then you can switch at the bottom of the page to creativity program beta. Now, do know that you can't switch back to the creator fund. You will stay in creativity program beta. And what that does is creativity program beta is going to give you so many more rewards than you're supposed to get on your creator fund. It's actually crazy. And trust me, you're going to love this. So that's how you're going to make money on TikTok.
Then I want you to click on the lower right side, click on your profile. Then I want you to click on the top right corner on the 3 straight lines. Then I want you to click on settings and privacy. When you're at the settings and privacy, I want you to scroll down to the section that is called activity center. Okay. Here, the last option will be manage post visibility. When you click on it, you will see all your content and you will see which content is available for everyone. As you can see, the first one is available for everyone. The second option is which posts are available for friends only. And the third option is which posts are available only for me. Well, why this matters, how you can actually fix it. Well, for example, let's say I want to change the visibility of this post over here. Then you want to click next. And this is how I can actually change the visibility of the post. I can make this post from publicly available for everyone to be available only for friends, meaning followers that I follow back. People that just follow me and I'm not following them back are not considered friends. You got that? And I can also change the visibility from public to only me. And this is how you change the visibility on the post. If you guys want to do an ultimate checkout, well, then you have to check all the videos that we want to change, right? And then you have to repeat the process. Unfortunately, they don't have this option where you can actually select all of them. Then let's take the first video that we're gonna get recommended for. You hold your finger in the middle of the screen until you have this menu pop up. Then you can scroll left and right depending on the version that you have. Then you have this option over here, playback speed. Now we can actually click on 0.5, so this will make the video much slower. As you can see, things are moving very slowly. Then I hold again and then click on the playback speed. Remember, to launch this menu you have to press in the middle of the screen while the video is playing. Then you're gonna get this menu. Let's try the other side of the equation. Let's press the double X speed. Now we're looking. Things are moving very fast. Things are simply elevating and you can probably watch much faster as long as you don't have to listen, I presume. Again, how are we gonna stop this? Put your finger in the middle of the screen and hold it until you see this actual menu pop out. Let's put it back to normal. And essentially that's it, guys. Subscribe and come back for more. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your TikTok search history. First thing you want to do, you want to launch the TikTok app. Then you want to click on the lower right corner where you see the profile icon. When you're on your profile, you're going to head to the top right corner and click on the 3 straight lines. Then you want to click on settings and privacy, the last option. Then you want to scroll down and you want to click on activity center. When you're on activity center, you will find your search history, the third option. Click on it. Now you can actually click and delete, for example, select, and we can delete the first search query. This is how you can go about it. If you want to delete multiple, if not all of your search queries on TikTok, this is how we're gonna go about it. You click on the top right corner, you click select, okay? Then I want you to look at the lower left corner. There is a special menu that just pop up, right? You click on select all search history. And then you're gonna click delete all. You see what this is going to do? Delete all search queries in the past 180 days. This is very good, guys. You might see that this is essentially you have a 6-month period in which everything that you search simply will be deleted. And I gotta mention that this action cannot be undone. When you click it, like I'm gonna do, done. Your search history on TikTok has been deleted. You're welcome, guys. This is how simple it is to clean and delete your search history on TikTok. For more tips and tricks, subscribe and follow for more. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to block someone on TikTok. First thing, let's launch the TikTok app. Then you want to head to the feed of TikTok. Let's find somebody that you want to block. Let's say we want to block this particular page over here. What you want to do, you want to head to the top right corner where you see the small arrow, okay? You click on the arrow, and here you can find an option which is on the third row, the second menu, which will be block. If you click block, this is what is going to happen with this account. This will not be able to send you messages, to see your photos, to see your posts. This does not include extended scenarios like the multi-host live streams, duets posted by others, groups chats, and both participating. They will not be notified that you block them. This is very important. A lot of people are looking for options to block someone without them being notified. So for example, if you're not friends, right, if you didn't hit follow and follow back prior, if this person, not look back and try to find you and see that, they cannot find you because you block them, this is not going to be the case. They're not going to be able to see your posts, your photos, and if you really want to hide yourself, your content, and your profile from them, you don't want to be together, or you don't want to be part of the multi live streams, because they're going to see you in the multi live streams according to TikTok. Also, you don't want to be part of duets that is posted by others. You can create your own duet with somebody else, and you're going to publish the duet, and the person you block, they're not going to see it because it's published by you. Don't participate in duets that is going to be hosted and published by a third-party account, because you're going to be seen. This is how to block someone on TikTok. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable dark mode on Facebook. Let's launch the Facebook app. You want to head to the top right corner where you see the gear icon on your profile. Then slowly but steadily you want to scroll all the way down to the section Preferences. The last option in the section Preferences is essentially dark mode. When you click on it, you will have a couple of options. First of all, you have the option to turn it on, and you have the option to turn it off. The third option over here is that the Facebook will match the theme that you currently have on your device. In my case, this is iPhone. So if I click the theme, I have a dark mode on my phone generally. So this is what the Facebook app will do. Will simply match the theme on your phone, so you will not have an issue, right, moving from dark theme on your device to bright theme here on the Facebook app. I advise you to do the same thing on each and every app. There is a setting similar one on Instagram. You can do the same thing when you go and use X, the Twitter, and each and every app will simply have a very smooth transition, because they all gonna have the same user experience, and you're not gonna get shocked, especially if you're in the dark late at night on the streets, right? You're moving from dark user experience on your device, and then you open the app and everything is bright, and everything is like kind of irritating for the eyes. So this is what I'm advising you guys, and vice versa. If you have a bright version on your device, bright theme, right, over here, you probably want to make sure that each and every theme on the apps that you're using is matching the theme on your phone. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your search history on TikTok. Simple and easy. Let's launch the TikTok app first. Click on the lower right corner on your profile. Then you want to click on the top right corner on the three straight lines. Then you want to click on Settings and Privacy. Then I want you to scroll down to the section that is called Activity Center. When you're at Activity Center, you want to click on Search History. As you can see over here, we haven't searched anything. Let me show you how we can fix this. For example, let's say iPhone 15 Pro, okay? We just searched for something. Now let's go back. Three straight lines, Settings and Privacy. You want to click on Activity Center. You want to click on Search History. Boom! There you have it, iPhone 15 Pro. How are you gonna delete your search history? You wanna click on the top right corner and you wanna click select. Then you wanna tap on this individual search query that we just created. If you had a multiple different search queries, you will see on the lower left corner there is an option that is called select all search history. Then you wanna click delete all. This is going to delete 180 days worth of search history, search queries. And this is how you delete your search history on TikTok. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find videos that you have liked before on TikTok. Let's launch the TikTok app. I want you to go on your profile, hit the profile icon on the lower right corner. Then when you're at your own profile, I want you to focus on the settings above your images, above your content. So the first section, of course, will be the filter function, filtering the latest post to the most popular one. The second option will be the stories that you saved and they're hidden. The third option will be the videos that you reposted. The fourth option will be sounds, effects, and videos that you actually saved. And guess what? The last option over here will be all the videos that you have liked, okay? This is how you're going to find, you can scroll down and you can find all the videos that you have liked previously. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to share link from your profile on TikTok so you can send it to other people so they can actually follow you. So there are two ways to do it. Let me show you the first one. Let's launch a TikTok app. Go ahead and click on the lower right. Then go ahead and click on the upper right as well, on the three straight lines. Then I want you to click on the settings and privacy. When you're at settings and privacy, I want you to focus on the fourth option over here, which is share profile. When you click share profile, you will be able to copy the link from your account and then paste the link on Messenger or send the link straight through the Messenger. When you click on it, you will have an option with a special bar underneath and you will have all the apps that you currently have: Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp. So you will be able to just send the link right from one click when you click share over here. So this is very direct way. If you really want to copy just the link, not to send the link as a message, all you gotta do is to come on your profile, like over here, right? And you will see that under your profile picture, you will have a share profile button. When you click share profile button, well, you will have three options. You have the QR code, which is someone just met on the street. They can simply, read the QR code by opening the iPhone camera, right? So they can find you right away if they have the app. The second option that they give you over here is just to copy the plain link. And the third option is to share the profile as a message. I showed you the third one, to send it as a message, to share it as a message. So these two are coming only if you click on your profile. So if you just want to send just the link, all you gotta do is to come over here on your profile and click share profile. If you want to send it as a message, it probably will be easier just to go on the previous function like I showed you and send direct message with your actual profile. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to unblock accounts on TikTok. Very easy, very simple. You don't have to remember who you blocked. The way I'm going to show you, it's simply mind-blowing. Let's dive in. So first thing you want to do is launching the TikTok app as usual. Then click on the lower right corner where is your profile. Then all you gotta do is to go ahead and click on the three straight lines on the top right corner, okay? Then you want to click on settings and privacy. The best of all is that we're almost done. Next step is to click on privacy. And this is where the magic happens. I want you to slowly scroll all the way to the bottom of the page. The last option is blocked accounts. Well, there we have it. There's a bunch of accounts that we've blocked previously. Now let's unblock someone over here. Click on block and the account was just unblocked. This is how simple it is actually to block again and unblock people, just finding this list with blocked accounts. You don't have to remember who previously blocked and what was the handle, the account. Or you just come over here, find all the accounts that previously were blocked from you, and you decide who to be freed. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to see people that you have blocked previously. You maybe want to look to unblock some of these people, so I'm going to show you where is the list of people you blocked. Let's launch the TikTok app first. As usual, click on the lower right corner where you see your profile icon. Then you want to hit the three straight lines on the top right corner. Okay. Then I want you to click on settings and privacy. Now, pay very close attention over here, guys. I want you to pick up the second option, which is privacy. And I want you to scroll all the way to the bottom where you see an option that is called blocked accounts. When you click on it, you will find a list of people that you previously blocked. And now you have the magic power to unblock them if you really want to do that. But essentially, guys, this is how you could see all the people that you previously blocked in one place. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and come back for more. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your TikTok account. After the recent updates, guys, there are a few differences. Let me show you. Let's launch the TikTok app. First thing you want to do, you want to click on the lower right corner and hit the profile picture. Then I want you to go ahead and click on the three straight lines on the top right corner. Then select settings and privacy. Now I want you to click on account. When you're at account, the last option that you will see over here will be deactivate or delete your account. When you click on that, you will have two options: to delete your account immediately, and you will have 30 days grace period in which you have the availability to come back and recover your account by simply logging in. If you click deactivate account, well, simply your account will not be available for the public. Your content will not be available for the public, but the whole information will be saved up in your account. This means that you can take a break as much as you want by deactivating your account, and you can come back at any time you want. No issues, no problem with it. But when you click delete, you have 30 days to make your mind, right? If you want to change your mind, you have 30 days. Also, very important note over here, guys, is that if you want to delete your account, you want to make sure that you download your data. You have to make a special request to TikTok, and they will need 2, 3, 4 days maybe to process your information, and then they will give you an option to download the info. So first of all, you have to request information, download your information, and then you can click delete. You cannot click delete and then wait for the information, because the accounts that are scheduled for deletion cannot be used as a source for TikTok to download the data from. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.